Remote control helicopters are compact, nimble, and easy to fly, regardless of size or design. Many RC helicopter pilots want an autopilot-equipped model. This helicopter's cable-controlled throttle allows for hands-free flight. Number 1. The Thesis Flying Ball Helicopter Toys. Number 2. Cheerwing S107 S107G Phantom Mini RC Helicopter. Number 3. Vatos Mini Helicopter with Remote Control. Number 4. Little Tykes You Drive Rescue Chopper. Number 5. RC Helicopter TF1001. Subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. Please see my description for additional details about the product pricing.